Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new to my channel then you're most welcome to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to make a DIY paper flowers. So without any further ado, let's begin. So firstly you have to take a rectangular shaped paper and then you have to fold it like this. Now carefully cut it from the middle portion and fold it properly. Then you have to make a design and cut it carefully. If you have a paper larger than mine, then you don't have to make another one. My paper is small, so that is why I hate to make another flower. And I'm really sorry for my voice because I don't have an expensive mic. Now you all have to join it by using the glue stick. And it is done. Thank you for watching the video, guys. I hope you loved it. And don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe my channel. Bye bye. Take care all. See you in my next video.